Believe it or not, I actually never intended to make a Butoh manual, the Shadowbody Butoh manual. This Butoh manual has been out for almost 5 years now, and it began back in 2017. It was either June or July, and it was a summer program, 1 month, for Butoh, to guide sub-body Butoh, to guide the Butoh that I have been exposed to. And before each class, maybe the day before, just like many other instructors would do, they would jot down what they were going to guide the next day. You know, maybe it took 30 minutes, 1 hour the day before. So I always had notes of, you know, what to guide. But what wound up happening is the notes kept on growing and growing and growing, that I was starting to get a little bit overwhelmed by the information, because as sub-body, I mean, this is what I experienced when I was there in 2013, is like an information overload. And so I had a lot of information, but it felt very scattered. And so I started organizing it just for my own self, so to guide in class. And as I was doing this, I realized that it was naturally forming into some sort of book. And this was very nice, because it made it easy for me as a resource to go back to for class, and it's something that I could share as well. So this is how it started, how it all started in 2017 summer, with just notes. And to this day, I am still updating this thing. Every page is gets updated eventually. And it has actually become part of my life. My life is a Butoh life. I've dedicated my life to Butoh. I travel the world for Butoh, to do performances, to take classes, to see performances. So basically, yes, everything I do is revolving around this. And so is this manual, this what I call the Shadowbody Butoh manual, which I mentioned at the welcome page, that it's not the intention to speak for all Butoh. This is just my lens of where I'm coming from in my own Butoh world, and this is what I actually still use for classes, because I'm still guiding classes in the world today. So yeah, this is for me a very big project, one that will continue on. It's going to be part of my life. It's almost like a journal. It's going to update. You know, maybe some things will be omitted, some things will be added. So this is the Shadowbody Butoh manual.